if you really want a lot of good karma fast, doing 108 of the Om Mani Padme Hum along with Master, and I think it's the Om Mani Padme Hum CD you can get. It's like 30 minutes long, and it's chanting Om Mani Padme Hum along with Master Choa. It's a lot of work to do it. I mean, I've done it before a lot. Like every day, I was like doing 108 Om Mani Padme Hums. And Master Choa Koksui personally told me something that his exact words were, chanting the Om Mani Padme Hum mantra generates prosperity karma. And so, if you want to bring good karma, or if you're already super rich, you want to make more money, then you chant. But it brings like good karma, and it purifies all your chakras in a safe way, because the mantra generates good karma as it like blasts you clean, so it's pretty safe. So if you're gonna be doing Twin Hearts, you might as well be doing the meditation on Twin Hearts with the Om Mani Padme Hum, or the meditation on loving kindness, I think it's called. It's the Twin Hearts with the Om Mani Padme Hum together. This is a whole new level of Twin Hearts. Like the normal one is like this strong, but the one with Om Mani Padme Hum is just like, it like blasts out to the world. It's like super powerful. And the mantra itself, which was extracted from the live meditation, which was with Master Choa in Germany in 2002. I was in there. It was like in a giant barn, like this barn, and there was like 500 people in it, and they kicked me to the back row. I'm like on the very back row, and Master Choa is like in the very front up there, and there's 500 people in this thing. And it's at the time of the Wesak. The Wesak full moon, there's like a powerful energy comes down, and a lot of spiritual beings, including all the Buddhas and Lord Buddha Kuan Yin, they put down lots of energy to the world. And when you become the channel for that, and you chant the Om Mani Padme Hum, the energy just comes down and it's like blasts out to the world, and it just blasts out. So you can get the Om Mani Padme Hum mantra by itself, or you can get the CDs or the audio with all that included. Yeah, I mean, you'll feel so clean after doing it. Because what happens is, like there's a whole book Master wrote about Om Mani Padme Hum. If you haven't got the book by Master Choa Koksui, Om Mani Padme Hum, you gotta get it. He actually sent me a copy of it when he finished it, a special version of it, and it cleans the chakras, the mental body, emotional body, the physical bodies. All the bodies become very bright and purified, and it generates good karma. So anyways, just be using these techniques in your daily life, and we'll be seeing you on next week's group coaching session.